Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you the makeup products that are very essential for you to build your beginner's makeup kit, and these products are very affordable and performs wonderfully. So let's just get started. So the first product is Inside Cosmetics HD concealer. Now this is how it looks like. If you don't want to use the foundation on a daily basis, you can use this concealer. The consistency of this concealer is very thick and it is very high coverage. So if you want to cover up some your pigmentation, acne marks, you can use that. And if you don't want to use any foundation, you can just use this concealer, and this is pretty affordable. I think it is under 200. So yeah, this is a great option. So now as you can see, it has provided me so much coverage with so less product, and I absolutely in love with this concealer. And now if you want to add a highlighting concealer, you can, but on a daily basis I don't prefer to add highlighting concealer. This is a very good concealer at this affordable price, so I highly recommend to get this product. Now the next product is this Mars Trend Setting Loose Powder. Now this is in the shade Translucent. This particular powder will not provide you any type of cover. It will set your under eyes for a very good amount of time, and this is a very good loose powder, so this is a very great product. Now as a beginner, you don't want to spend a lot of money on your makeup products, so this will become handy. This lipstick, this is the Color Bar lipstick. It's a beautiful pink mauvish type of shade. It will act as your blush, as your lipstick, as your eyeshadow, everything. And this is such a beautiful shade. Use this lipstick as a blush, and I am going to use it as a blush. And now I am going to just, oh my god, January. You can use this lipstick as your eyeshadow also. Just put some product in your finger and just smudge it with your fingers on your lid, and your eyeshadow is done in no time. Lipstick is a must in a beginner's kit. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on different makeup products, I think lipstick is a must. You can apply it, of course, on your lips. Now the next thing that you need in your beginner's makeup kit is an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder, whatever you prefer for doing your eyebrows, because after doing eyebrows your face shape will change. And I used to not use eyebrow products on my eyebrows because first of all I didn't know back then how to use an eyebrow product on my eyebrows, but dhire I started using it, and I love how it makes such a good difference in your face. Like, it puts the makeup together. Now I have this Mars eyeshadow palette, which I use as an eyeshadow palette also. I use it for my eyebrows also. This has like various shades, and I use this brown and this black as an, like, I mix both and I draw my eyebrows. So like, can you see the difference on both the sides? On this side I have made my brows, and on this side I have not, and it gives like such a huge difference on both the sides. So I'm going to do the other side and be right back. So as you can see how it made my brows so natural and so good. Like, it's amazing, this product. If you want to buy separate eyebrow product, you can do that, but I like to use my eyeshadow palette as my brow product. The last thing that you need for your makeup kit is mascara. Now you cannot skip a mascara because it gives your lashes the volume. Eyes look so pretty after applying mascara. So I am gonna suggest you the one and only Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is a waterproof version. If you don't want a waterproof version, you can also get the another version. This mascara is so good. It makes my lashes look so voluminous and lengthy, and it is also very affordable and very nice. You know, Maybelline mascaras are always good, so you cannot go wrong with this. Now the next step that I'm going to do is highlighter. Now this is an extra step if you want to do it or not. Personally, I just love applying highlighter on my whole face. So I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade like molten gold. This is a golden shade, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it on some of my finger, apply it on my nose, apply it on my highest points of the cheek. If you have this highlighter, you don't need any other highlighter in your kit. This is so good. Like, this is a very good highlighter. So yeah, that's it guys. This is the makeup look that you can do every day for going to college or office or anywhere. If you want to just sit at home and do your makeup, you can do this simple makeup. Not need a lot of makeup products to make you look presentable. And yes, this is the look that I have with these products, and I am in love with this product. Now if you do not have any of these brands available to you, you can use any brand. ये कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है कि यही वाले ब्रांड यूज़ करने हैं. ये मेरे पास थे तो मैंने आपको दिखा दिए. एंड ये वो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं विच आई लाइक. इफ़ यू वांट टू go and experiment with other brands, you can, of course. So yes, this was my favorite product, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel.